asuntosykeyhtiö Topelius.
This is Messeniuksenkatu, Messeniuksenkatu 10 stickers here. Look at this beautiful cap.
Yeah.
It's really special.
Yeah.
Maybe the best found today.
Yeah.
Maybe the best one. But we found several amazing ones today. But this is maybe the best one.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's original, 6 floors. This is going straight. I think I have to take this also for the Nordic elevator community.
Yeah.
It was built in 1937. This number is AF423. And it will be 85 years old in the next year, 2022.
Yeah.
We expect it then also. Maybe it deserves 3 rights.
Yeah.
It's rare with this shape.
Yeah.
And the staircase is very beautiful too.
Yeah.
We are in Helsinki, Finland. But is the machine upgraded or?
No, I'm not sure, but it might be original.
Yeah. No, this is rare. Especially with this shape.
Yeah.
Silent road.
Ja sitten vaikka vais meidän temppaakka on.
This one is also going straight to our friends here in Finland.
Yeah. Then 2 rights is enough because
of the situation.
Yeah.
Would deserve to trade rights.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much. Completely different from this, but also beautiful.
Yeah. That's